In this section, we are going to discuss about the property of module aliasing or aliasing. So, what is the property of aliasing? Aliasing happens in Python whenever one variable's value is assigned to another variable or the same memory location can be accessed using different names. The same item can be accessed using different names. That is the property of aliasing. Okay, so you can create an alias when you import a module or a member function by using the as keyword. Thus, Python provides a salient feature of renaming a module at the time of import. Okay, we are using aliasing property to rename a module at the time of import. First one we are going to see is module aliasing. In Python, we can rename a module at the time of import. Okay, so what is the syntax for that? Import keyword, then module name, then as keyword. Okay, as is also a keyword, then alias name. Into which name we want to import that module. The math module, it's a built-in module in Python. So import math as m. Okay, so here I have imported the module math as m, a single character. Then print m.sqrt of square root of 60. It's a built-in function in the math module. So math module can be renamed as m and can be used in the program. So the built-in module math is imported using a different name m. In the current program's namespace, m can be used for accessing functions of the math module. In the current program only, that renamed or that name we used can be used. But if we use the m in another program, after closing the current program and using m in a different program, it will result in an error. So that is module aliasing, importing a module with a different name. Okay, so for that, we can use the as keyword. We are going to see is member aliasing. Okay, so member aliasing means already present in the modules. In Python, we can rename a member function at the time of import. You can create an alias of a member function using the as keyword. Okay, module aliasing, member aliasing is also supported and implemented in modules. Okay, the syntax is here from module name, then import a particular function alias name. Okay, so that is the syntax. Once we have defined an alias name, we should use the alias name only and use the original module name should be avoided. It may create ambiguity and may result in an unexpected output or sometimes even error. Okay, alias names. Okay, if you are using along with a particular module or a particular member function, once we renamed that particular module using the as keyword, then we have to use that renamed keyword. The alias name only can be used here. So here in the example, you can see that the square root function in the built-in module math is imported using a different name sq. Okay, and in the current program's namespace, sq can be used for performing the desired function, that is finding the square root of a number. After importing the function square root as sq, if we use the name sqrt, the original name of that function, if we use that again, then it will result in an error or unexpected output. So that's all about member aliasing and module aliasing. We will see with another topic in the next class.